Right, we've just arrived in Asti, Piedmont region of Italy. We're here for the next 7 days. Beautiful place with a little garden. Just going to chill out, relax, unwind, let the kids play.
Welcome, Daddy. Welcome. Welcome to. There's some food. Have a new garden. Oh well. Goodbye.
Okay, here we are. We are in Asti and it is day 1 of 7. We've had a nice lazy morning and we're heading to our first winery to pick up some wine.
We bought Lennon some boots yesterday, some winter boots from Aldi, €5 because it's on sale. They'll do for winter. We told them specifically that for when we go to the snow, he's refusing to keep them in the bag though and wants to wear them today. We're off to Decathlon, see if we can get them a little swimming pool or slip and slide or something to play at in that garden. Successful mission.
Wait.
Why are we waiting? Right, football nets are ready. We've been out and bought 2 balls. Oh, I missed it. Let's try again. 2, 1, go! Oh, Lenny, go! She's cheated. We just came to a wine town called Barolo and we thought it'd be like any other wine town, $13, $14 a bottle of wine. First shop went in, €300 a bottle, so we skipped that. Focaccia, beautiful, right. Wanna try that? Oh, yummy. What are we getting on then? At the markets, aren't we? Picking up some local produce. We've just been to the markets. Now we've got to find a steak.
The market stall.
And if we can't find a steak, there's a little fish place there. I'll have to come back. You gonna get some octopus, Lenny? Octopus!
Hi.
Wow, look at that. Proper Italian feast, local produce. Beautiful. Right, we're in Torino today and we come here for a sandwich. Neil's found a great little shop. Apparently best sandwiches in Italy, so we'll see. Delicious. Today we have been dragged to Europe's largest shopping centre. Emma's taking a break while she's out in the shops. There's going to be lots of this today from me.
The entrance.
Oh my god!
Do you want to go on the water park?
Yeah.
Yeah? I need to go and get the towel from the car. Mummy's gone to get the towels so the kids can play in the water park. Are you excited, kiddies? Yeah. Driving around the streets of Asti, trying to find a car park. We're going to get Freya's iPad screen fixed. She drops it down the stairs and we're this is fun. All one-way streets. So just relax. We're currently parked in a tow zone, so we could get towed at any time here. We're just waiting on Mummy. Hopefully she can get these iPads fixed. We're under a bit of time restrictions as well, though, aren't we, kids? Because we actually have to be back at Malpensa Airport tomorrow at 12 to drop the car. And some of these iPad repair places can't give it you back the same day, so we'll... Oh, she's not happy. It's alright. So hopefully, fingers crossed, we get it back tomorrow.